macro market trends, stock selection, ETFs, options, just some of the topics covered in Tactical Trading. Time for us to do some data mining now. Oh, not with me, of course. That would be absurd. With our tactical trader, Kevin Cook. He's here to help us with the Zacks stock screeners and some data mining. So I know you occasionally like to just grab one of the preset screens and that give you some stock ideas and run with it. What did you come up with today?
Yeah, Kevin Matris is our real wizard with the stock screens tools that we have at Zacks, but there's over a dozen preset screens available on the premium site, and I just like dialing into those sometimes. So today I looked at the PEG screen.
Okay.
And so let's just review what PEG is first of all. The PEG ratio, you're looking at the PE multiple of a stock over its growth rate. So I've done a simple example here. If you have a stock that's got an 11 PE multiple, and you divide that by a 25% growth rate, you get a PEG of 0.44. Okay. And you like to see a PEG under 1. That is a true attractive growth stock.
All right. So we ignore the decimal point, just treat the growth rate as a whole number?
Yeah, to make the math simple, something to work with, you just take that PE divided by the growth rate as a whole number. So that's why 11 divided by 25 gets you 0.44.
So why do the gold miners, you think, have attractive PEG ratios right now?
Well, that's we talked about that earlier. So I'm gonna cover some of the stocks here. We've got in the PEG screen this morning, 37 names came up. So you've got Cummins, Discover Financial, Valero. By the way, they all have to have a Zacks rank of 2 or higher. So they've either got to be a buy or a strong buy.
Okay.
And then a couple of smaller companies. Minefinders was among 3 or 4 other gold stocks. Barrick was on there, Rand Gold, and one other one I can't think of right now. But Minefinders is a smaller miner in Mexico in the Southwest, about a 1.2 billion market cap. Really attractive PEG ratio there, and it's the number 1 rank. Last one I want to mention here, I tried to pick a list of diversified stocks here. There was another refiner, HollyFrontier, but Conn's is a appliance retailer in Texas and Louisiana. Small company, only about a 250 million market cap. Not only appliances, I think they're selling furniture and small lawn equipment too. So, but their growth rate is really strong right now, and that's why they're putting out a PEG of 0.33 with the Zacks number 1 rank. So you asked me, why are the gold miners showing up here?
Yeah.
I think it's just that they're in this sweet spot where you've got, rising price of gold, accelerating, forward estimates maybe building in, gold at 1,600, gold at 1,800 6 months from now, and ramping up production. So you've got rising earnings, and this growth rate based on increased production, that's really giving them a lot lower pegs.
Okay. Do you own any of these stocks?
I do not.
And the this morning that Kevin referred to is October the 12th, the day that we had this conversation. So if you want to see what Kevin's writing about, it's very simple. If you're not at our website, Zacks.com, go there. And right on the homepage, you see Kevin's picture. If you scroll down far enough, you see a headline next to his picture. That is the headline of his most recent column. Those columns change frequently, so you may want to check in with our homepage frequently because at least 2-3 times a week, Kevin does different columns on different topics, issues, trends, brings up a lot of interesting analysis. And you can always follow him on Twitter as well, at Kevin B. Cook. With Kevin, I'm Terry Ruffalo.